Imagine when it comes to social media for your business, if you had a system that allowed you to feel very confident that you were concentrating your efforts in the best area to achieve your business goals. You were able to do it in manageable steps. You had a schedule to follow, and you were working efficiently without getting sucked in and wasting time. That's what my goal is for you and why I created the social media crash course. It's to help you if you are overwhelmed by social media. Everybody knows that that's where you need to be to communicate about your business. Maybe you're either not doing it because you're intimidated and don't know where to start, or you're doing it but you're not consistent and you're not seeing results and you're not sure that it's worth the investment that you're putting into it. Those are the questions that I can help you solve and answer by going through the fundamental information for your viewpoint and the elements needed for success when it comes to social media. I hope that you will check out my social media crash course.